How to connect Supabase to Retool. So here's one way you can do this. Make sure you already have your project created, and you can also remember or just copy your password since you're going to be using this later. Now in your Supabase project, just go ahead here, press on connect, choose the connection string, and on session pooler. Type as URI so you don't have to change that, and then you're gonna have to copy this connection string. So just go ahead and press on that copy icon, and then you're gonna have to go to Retool. Then you're gonna navigate to your resources, and once you're there, you're gonna choose these options as well, which is to create new resource, Postgre, and then you're gonna have to input the details here. So put a description if you'd like, and then the name for this. Then you're gonna put in the host here. But you can also choose this option, which is just to autofill. You can paste the connection string here, and then just go ahead and press on import. It should just do it automatically, and then you can put the password here in the authentication. And then once you're done with the autofills and other descriptions, just go ahead and test your connection. If it works, you can then create your resource and then put in the other details for your new app as well. But that is pretty much how you can do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.